buddies, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do click on the subscribe button and click on the teeny tiny notification button for more updates. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you on how to turn on your dark theme mode in your Windows and any version of your Windows without updating your own Windows. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first, right click on your desktop and click personalize. Here it is. Click on the high contrast settings. And click choose a theme. These are the built-in themes created to you by Windows, so you can choose the number 1. This is what it looks like. The text, hyperlinks, so click apply. Click apply and wait for it because it's generating the customized theme. But I am telling you guys later how can you create your own customized colors of Windows. So see, here it is. As you can see, a while ago it's color white and now it becomes the black. And for me, I don't know, but I find it a bit tacky because of the white lines around it. But let's go here in the Explorer, and as you can see, here it is. Even the File Explorer changes its colors. When you click it, colors green. The green is the selected text. That's the green. Okay, so now let's try creating our own customized theme. So here, click any one of them. Okay, let's try high contrast one. And click here in one click here, and you can change or play with any colors that you want, and it will be changed into something. But I have already created or prepared something for this theme. We copy this one, go here, and only one click. And this time, the font color of the selected text, I want it to be color dark blue because I like the color, the combination of the two. And bottom text it's not dark because I don't like the color of dark. Same as with the background. You see, it's not that dark because for me, my eyes, it doesn't look good to my eyes. I prefer to choose these color combinations because it suits well to me. So click apply, and it prompts theme name that I'm going to put it. So I'm gonna choose theme dark, which means it's a dark theme and safe. And here it is. And when we go back here, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. If you want to change the background, you can go to C and go to Windows and click one of it and press W so that it will lead you to web folder, and here are the wallpapers of Windows. So you can choose anything that you wanted to set as wallpaper, desktop wallpaper, but this time I'm gonna be choosing the flowers because I like flowers. So let's go to wallpaper, flowers. I like this one or this one. I prefer this one because that's my favorite color, or this one. Let's right click and set as desktop background, and here it is. Press on your Windows plus R keyboard and type this local app data Microsoft Windows Teams and click OK, and here it is. If you remember, this is the name of the theme that we've just created a while ago, theme_dark. So I'm gonna show you something. If we set the theme to its default theme, theme again, let's set this apply. Okay, it's white, right? So when we go back here again to the directory that we're currently in, when we click the theme_dark, the theme that we've just created a while ago, when we double click, it automatically sets the color that you've just created. So from white automatically changes to gray, dark gray. So that's all for this video, guys, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe button. Always pray, be safe, keep on learning, and give cuddles to your loved ones.